Today we're going to learn the ESDN classes through which we can develop the dynamic web applications very easily. So let's start to see the mockup file first, that what we are actually going to develop with. So this is a simple guestbook application, and I would say about that it is a CRUD application and will uh, take a very less time from you to develop this with ESDN classes. So this will be the first page, and as you can see that this is the front page of the application, and there is a login and sign up link on the page. Here also we will display the guests or the registered users feedbacks randomly or any other way. So let's see what if the user get registered or login through the application. This will be the user login or sign up page. If the user is not registered yet, he will be able to register himself, and after that he will go to the login form and will log into the system. Okay, so after logging to the system, you can see here that the welcome page, the landing page will be appear. And in this page, as you can see that the slider containing the user's feedback is shown on the top of the page. The user will be able to submit their feedback using by clicking this button, say something, you can see here. And he will also be able, if he hover the mouse over the feedback, he will be able to edit or remove, and it will be happen only to the unpublished comments or feedback. Otherwise, if the comments or feedback has been regretted by the admin of this software, this will be shown to the user with red color, and the regretted reason will be also available for the registered user. So the other pending feedbacks will be shown at the bottom of the page. And when the user will click on the say something button, like this, let me show you. Yeah, this is here. So after pressing this button, the user will be shown with this screen. Here in this form, actually it will be a modal where the user will be able to put type their feedback, and also if guest or a user wish to add any document to the feedback, or if he wanna add his picture or any other image to the system, he will also be able to add with his or her feedback. So in the next page, okay, here one thing I have to tell you, that at the end the user will have to log out from the system by clicking on this logout link. So after that, the system admin will have to log into the system, and he will be shown with all the feedbacks registered by the users. The admin will be able to approve or regret the user feedback from here on this tab, feedbacks tab. So if the admin click on the approve button, the feedback will go to the front page and will be shown to the public. Otherwise, if he click on the regret button, so the admin will be pop up with this little form that add the regression reason if there's any. So it will inform the user by reason that why his or her feedback has been regretted by the admin. After that, when the admin will click on the approved link or tab, he will be shown with all the approved feedbacks. So the admin will be able to click on the regret button, and if he will click on this button, the same feedback will be go to the regretted tab. Okay, and will not be shown on the public page. So the same option is here in the regretted tab. If the regretted tab will be opened by the admin, he will be shown with all the regretted comments or feedback, and the admin will be able to click on the approve button to approve any regulated comment at the end. So these were the things we have to complete in the very simple software, and we'll go to work with JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, and for the front end we'll use the HTML, CSS, and in the CSS we're going to use the uh, Bootstrap library. While we'll use the database, MySQL database for this application. So let's start, guys, and let's enjoy.